Mr. Jones, isn't it true that 2 years ago, while standing on a street corner waiting to cross the street, you saw this car go through the red light? Oh, I don't remember that. You want to learn what we have to do in order to try and refresh the witness's memory? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. It's inevitable. It happens in almost every single trial. A witness forgets something. They don't remember a specific piece of information. What can I do as the attorney who represents the injured victim to help the witness refresh their memory about what it is that they saw and observed years earlier? We can try and refresh the witness's memory, but oftentimes we can't simply say, Mr. Jones, are you sure you don't remember? Are you really sure you don't remember? Well, that doesn't really work. So instead, I'm going to turn around and say, Mr. Jones, I'd like you to take a look at this piece of paper. It's a document that you prepared and you signed at the exact time after this accident happened. Could you take a look at it, please? And now, don't read it out loud. Instead, just look at it and read it to yourself. So now, Mr. Jones is going to go ahead and do that. And actually, what I'm asking him to look at is nothing more than a witness statement. It means that shortly after the accident, we had an investigator, or even he gave information to the police officer who was at the scene. And now he told him certain things about what he saw and what he observed at that time. And now it's been a number of years since the incident happened. And he gets on the witness stand, maybe he's nervous, maybe he just forgot, and now we need to refresh his memory of something that he saw and observed years earlier. So now I can ask Mr. Jones the following set of questions. Mr. Jones, I've just shown you a document. What is that document? Oh, it's a statement that I signed shortly after the accident. And by looking at it and reading that information, does that refresh your memory of exactly what it was that you observed? Yes, it does. Tell us, now that your memory has been refreshed, what did you observe on that day 2 years ago? Oh, I saw that driver went through the red light, and that was clear as day. Now the defense attorney gets up, and he has the opportunity to go ahead and look at whatever it was that Mr. Jones looked at in order to refresh his memory. Keep in mind that we're not trying to introduce that document into evidence so that we can show it to the jury to prove the truth of that matter. Instead, the witness is only using it to refresh his memory about some stumbling block he can't figure out now, and now he's just refreshing it. But now the defense attorney on cross-examination has every right to look at that document, go through it, and then cross-examine the witness on the information contained in that particular document. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this is something that comes up over and over again in almost every single trial, where a witness forgets something, and now we're trying to use a document to refresh a witness's memory. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. So what I encourage you to do if you have legal questions is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.